Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now. Tier 810 white bread slices into bite-sized pieces and set aside. This makes even frying and faster syrup absorption. Meanwhile, make a sugar syrup with 1 cup sugar and 1/2 cup water. Bring to boil and cook to a 1-string consistency so pieces won't go soggy. Heat 1/4 cup ghee in a pan on medium. Once the ghee shimmers, fry bread pieces in batches until golden. This seals them and gives structure for soaking. Once the bread is golden, work quickly. Add fried pieces to warm syrup in 2 batches so syrup temperature stays even, and soak each batch for about 2 to 3 minutes. Longer makes it softer, shorter keeps it firmer. While soaking, warm 1 cup milk with 2 tablespoons condensed milk to enrich flavor. Make sure it's hot but not boiling. Pour the milk over soaked bread, then gently fold in 1/4 cup chopped nuts and 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder for aroma and texture. To finish, layer the mixture into a serving dish, press lightly, and garnish with a few saffron strands and chopped pistachios for color. You can serve warm right away or chill 30-45 minutes. Both work. Chilling firms the dessert and deepens flavor. If the texture becomes too soggy, make sure to drain excess syrup, and if needed, spread on a tray and bake 5-7 minutes at 180 degrees to restore some crispness. Keep one key tip in mind. Control.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.